My name is Amber Reyna. I am one of the partners and Chief Revenue Officer for Verde Clean. Verde is a tech-obsessed, minority-owned, eco-friendly green cleaning company in the janitorial space, and we're on a mission to create a greener world. We are also one of the few, if not the only, janitorial company that I'm aware of that has been to the White House and was invited to a State of the Union address. And another thing that's pretty unique about us is that we have a giant green Sasquatch mascot that reminds us to leave a small footprint and leave no trace on this earth, but also have a really big impact. How do we help people find cleaning products that perform well and contain safer ingredients for human health and the environment? There's two things that we really rely on as a company. So we're a building service contractor, and so we really rely on our supplier partners to go through the process of getting third-party certified, and we're looking for those logos on our products. So we're looking for that EPA Safer Choice logo. We're looking for a green seal logo, an eco, any kind of eco logo that tells us that they've gone through the process of third-party certification, that product has been certified and tested to be safer, have minimal impact on the environment, and also help improve the indoor air quality in the spaces where we're cleaning. The other thing that we look for is every single chemical that's produced has what's called an SDS, or a safety data sheet. On those safety data sheets, there's a little diamond that has 4 different quadrants, and in those 4 quadrants is a number. And what we're looking for is as many zeros as possible, because those quadrants tell us how they impact health and flammability and how they react to the environment when they're disposed of. And so we're looking for 0 reactions, 0 negative health impact, and to the extent possible, we're looking for all of those zeros. So not only are we relying on those logos, but we're also doing the work ourselves at looking at the safety data sheets and making sure that they are in fact safe for our people to use. And what can the industry do to promote healthier and sustainable cleaning practices? Well, for one, we can be at places like we're at today. We're at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas at the ISSA show North America. ISSA is the world's largest cleaning industry association, and Verde is a member. We're members, and we're here to learn more about sustainability, to participate in education, to interact with other suppliers that are innovating in this space and trying to produce greener products and be innovative. And so we are here to meet and network and meet other people who are trying to have the same mission that we have to produce a greener world. And Verde means green in Spanish, and so we call it Verde Earth. We're trying to produce some more Verde Earth, and so that's one thing we can do. I think the industry can also continue to so we do a lot of advocacy work in Capitol Hill, and last time we were in DC, we met with the EPA and we met with legislators to try and get more funding for the EPA to push some of those products that are less of that daily use product, where we're really craving, the industry is really craving certain products that work, that are effective, but also safe. So for example, stripping and waxing floors, that's one product where you don't have as many options as you do, let's say, a general cleaner. You have a lot of options in the general cleaning space, but we have these specialty products where we are desperate for more options for building service contractors like Verde to be able to do some of these specialty cleanings that are not part of daily use. So those are some things that would be really helpful. And again, we're all just working towards a greener earth and to try and create healthier workplaces. Our workers spend 90% of their time inside buildings. And so it's incredibly important that we're creating safe spaces for people to work.